Shri. Continue.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, girls.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Ma'am. Today we are going to see the lesson Alice in Wonderland. Before that, we enter into the lesson. Now see the characteristics who are all played in this story. Can you repeat this, girls? Alice,
Al- Alice. Tell me.
Alice.
Al-
Alice.
Alice,
Alice.
ma'am. Alice sister,
Girls, repeat after
girls.
Subhashri.
Alice sister.
Third one, white rabbit with the pink eyes.
White rabbit with a pink eye.
Fourth one, green caterpillar with a pink jacket.
Green caterpillar with a pink jacket.
Fifth one, Mad Hatter,
Mad Hatter.
Queen of Hearts.
Queen of Arts.
Super Girls. The main theme of the lesson is set of growing up. This lesson is full of merciful characters. Each one is adding bit of humor and a dimension to the story. Now we enter into the story Alice in Wonderland. Al- Alice, now, ma'am, shall I share the screen, ma'am?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. Alice and her sister were sitting on the bank of river. Alice's sister was reading book. Alice got tired of sitting her sister without doing any work. She peeped into her sister's book, which had no pictures. She felt bored and, and thought making Nancy chain. Suddenly she saw a white rabbit with a pink eye. Girls, who was sitting on the bank of river?
Alice and his sister.
Ah, good ma. Who is reading the book?
Alice sister, ma'am.
Alice's sister.
Alice sister.
Correct. If Alice felt very happy with her sister in the place of bank of river,
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
good. Which animal crossed close to Alice?
Rabbit.
Rabbit, ma'am.
Rabbit. Good. Whether Alice saw the white rabbit with the pink eyes or blue eyes?
Pink eyes, ma'am.
Pink eyes,
Pink
ma'am.
eyes, ma'am. Excellent, ma'am. Then it ran close by her, pulled out of watch pocket. It checked the time, ran quickly into the rabbit's hole. Filled with curiosity, Alice followed the rabbit to the hole. The hole dropped suddenly, and she fell on the three-legged table made of solid glasses. There she saw a tiny golden. Then she noticed the little door about 15 inches behind the low curtain. She opened the door and saw a beautiful garden. Girls, in a why did Alice follow the rabbit? Girls, why did Alice follow the rabbit?
What made her to follow the rabbit? So that is how you just try to reframe the question. For which purpose did she follow the rabbit?
Girls, for which purpose she followed the rabbit?
She followed the rabbit because of curiosity, ma'am.
Superma. In the rabbit hole, where did Alice fell? Where did she fell down, ma?
She fell down in a large table, ma'am.
It is made up of What?
Glass, ma'am.
On that place, Alice see whether the golden key or a silver key.
Golden key, ma'am.
Good. The little door was how many inches?
15 inches, ma'am.
After opening the door, what did Alice saw?
She saw a beautiful garden, ma'am.
She saw a garden, ma'am.
Super. She opened the door, saw a beautiful garden. Then she could not go there because she was too big. Suddenly, she saw a green bottle on the table that said, "Drink me." Alice drank the entire portion. She became small. She was no bigger than the doll. She was very happy to see the garden. She was very happy and entered the garden. But soon she felt very bored and she wanted to become big again. She saw the white rabbit again. The white rabbit mistook her to be his maid and it asked her to go to his cottage and fetch blouses and pants. After drinking that portion of green bottle, Alice became small or large.
Small,
Small,
ma'am.
small, ma'am.
Super. The white rabbit mistook Alice to be a maid or a friend.
Maid, ma'am.
Girls, uh, good mark. What was the work allotted by her from White Rabbit?
White Rabbit said to Alice to go to his house and fetches his glues and gun, ma'am.
Fan, ma fan. Good. And then Alice went to cottage hoping to find a way out. On the way, she saw a piece of chocolate cake. Next to the cake, there was a note that read, "Eat me." That time, Alice was very hungry, so she ate that cake. Suddenly, she felt strange and grew larger in the house. Alice managed to pick up the fan. It was a magic fan. Immediately, she began to think. She will never get back to the right side. Girls, what was the chocolate cake said? Eat me or drink me?
Eat me, ma'am.
Girls,
Eat me, ma'am.
uh, super. Whether Alice ate the cake or not,
Did Alice eat the cake? Repeat.
yes, ma'am. Did Alice eat the cake?
Yes, ma'am, she ate. Yes, ma'am.
Good, ma'am. Good. For what reason she ate the cake?
Because she was hungry, ma'am.
Super, ma'am.
Very good, Subhashri. Let us give a very great applause to Subhashri. Wonderful presentation. Really wonderful performance. You have prepared very well. There was a genuine attempt from you and you have improved much better from the first presentation, because I was really worrying for you, but your confidence level has been risen and you have sincerely prepared for this lesson and you have beautifully taken the class also. Keep up the spirit till the end. You can improve still more. Very good, Subhashri.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, very nice.
Yes,
Next,
ma'am.
who is
Thank you,
ready?
ma'am.